Hello friends, welcome back to this series of English tenses, and I know that is you are all English enthusiasts who are really interested in tenses. So our today's topic is present continuous tense part 7. So in this part today we will learn the spelling changes of verbs. So in this part, you can gain knowledge that is you can find out the correct verb. Then during the present continuous tense, you can add the ing correctly, and you can find out the spelling. Then you can add the ing. So by this, you can understand it in writing. Then it will be very good for you. And in communicating in English, you can understand the spelling of verb. If you don't write but speaking, but you can understand the spelling of verb in your mind. So by this you can improve, and this part will give you a good fortune by understanding the verb. Okay, so no more talking. Let's get started and pay attention if you want to become a good pro. Okay, so here we are watching that is most verbs. Okay, so there are some rules of present continuous tense. So we can start from here. So the spelling changes of verbs. So here most of the verbs we can simply add the ing. So here, for example, play, playing. So after the word of play, it's a verb. We have simply added the ing. Same like here, read, reading. Okay, so after the word of read, we have simply added the ing. You can do this. For example, walk, walk, walk. You can simply add the ing, walking. Okay, so I hope that is you have understand. So these are some examples, 2 examples, but you can create more examples for your understanding. So next, that is verb ending in e. Okay, so when the verb will end in e, so we have to drop the e. Okay, so we have to just drop the e, then we can just add the ing here. So when the verb will end in e, verbs ending in e, when the verb will end e, then we have to drop the e. For example, just like here, we have dropped the e, then we have added the ing. Same like here, drive, driving. So drop the e, we have then add ing. So we have already understood dance, dancing, drive, driving. So here we have already understood these are 2 examples, but there are more. When you make examples of verbs, then it will be clear. Okay, if you make most kinds of words by these following these rules, then it will be clear. So we have already learned 2 rules. Then we can see we can have another rule. So here we are watching, that is verbs ending in ie. Okay, so when the verb will end with in ie, so we have to just drop the ie. So just drop the ie, then we can add the y. So here I have dropped the ie, then I have added the y. So we are watching that is die, dying, because we have already dropped the ie, then we have added the y. Die, dying. Same here. Just drop the ie and then add the y. Lie, lying. So after this task, you can simply add the ing like before. So I hope that is you have understood. So let's have another look here, that is verbs ending in CVC. Okay, but first of all, we have to understand words mean CVC. Okay, so CVC means C means consonant, V means vowel, or another C, the last C means also consonant. So only for this task, so our word, I mean that is the letter of last consonant that starts the beginning of the word, it will be double last letter. Okay, so I hope that is you have understood. So just see the example, then it will be clear for you. So here, first of all, pay attention on these two examples. So in this, first of all, we are watching run, R-U-N, run. So just make it. So what's the first here? So N is vowel. Sorry. N is consonant because it's the last word, and U is vowel, and C is consonant. Okay, so we can just write here, then it will be clear for you. Okay, so N is consonant, the last word, and in the middle of the word, it is U, vowel, and the first letter is consonant. So we have three letters in this word. So first of all, R is consonant. In the middle of the letter is U, vowel, and then N is consonant. Okay, so what are the vowels? We know A, I, O, U. These 5 words are vowel, and without this, all letters are consonant, or you can say word. Okay, so in this case, you can change it into the double last letter. For example, that is the word ends with N, which is consonant, so it will be double. So here there is double and N. So there is double N. Okay, so in this case, when it will be the pattern will like this CVC. So after the last word, we have to check the last word, and the last word is N, which is consonant. So in that case, consonant will be double. Okay, so here we have used double N because it is consonant. So run, running, same here. So S-I-T. Okay, so let me write. So here we are watching T is consonant, I is vowel, S is consonant, which is the first letter of this word, or you can say vowel. Or you can say verb. So in this word of verb, we can see S is the first word, and it's consonant, and the middle of the word, and in the middle of the letter of this word, and that is I, which is vowel. Then we can see T, the last word ends with consonant, and that is T. Okay, and it's consonant. So in this case, you have to make this double T, because we have to see the pattern, because it ends with consonant, and that is the letter is T. That's why we have to make this double T. Okay, so I hope that is you have understand all these rules, and these are the major rules which you have to understand. Okay, so I hope that is you like this part, and I hope that is you have gained some knowledges, and you can use it, and you can find out the words, and you can find out the spelling of verb changes. So if you like this video, just like, comment, follow, and share my video. Okay, and thanks for watching this. Bye everyone.